Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M11, and today I'll show you how to set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the hotspot toggle, which looks like it's right over here, mobile hotspot. So you want to hold it. This will take you to the settings, and from here, tap on the password and change it to that. By default, just generate some kind of random password, but you can completely remove it and set your own. It needs to have at least 8 characters in length, and from there you can tap on save. Now this above, Galaxy M11 2954 is just going to be the name of the Wi-Fi. So if you want to change it, you can also tap on it and, for instance, shorten it if you want to, or just completely change it. And once you set those two options, you can simply leave this and tap on a toggle to enable hotspot. Now, it also will require you to turn off Wi-Fi, and once you do, it will then be enabled. There we go. So that is how you would enable it, and once you're done with it, make sure you disable it so it doesn't use your battery unnecessarily. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.